Like red wine, things get better with age. Hi everybody. Older neighbourhoods do tend to attract higher and better rentals, and also longer term tenants. These neighbourhoods, it's usually owners, their first choice will be to sell rather than rent their properties. And only if somebody is not really needing the money to move on, perhaps to a retirement home or leaving the country, will they look at renting versus selling, as potentially there's a nice income for them. Now in these old neighbourhoods, because there are no new buildings being built, the rentals are predictable. If you had 10 new buildings being built and you have owners that are suddenly desperate to rent or want to rent at any cost because they're scared to have their properties empty with no income, then of course it affects the existing properties. And in these neighbourhoods with the rare rentals, the tenants do stay longer. They settle in, the properties are usually higher maintenance, and there becomes this relationship with the landlord, what the tenant does, what the landlord does, and they stay longer because it's more of a home. It's not a transit, quick in and out property. And lastly, we also see less short-term rentals, because short-term rentals on a larger property is a lot of work. It is very difficult to do 3 days and 2 days on the bigger properties that need a lot of maintenance. And also it's not the type of people that are usually doing short-term rentals and running up and down between the rentals from their busy lifestyle somewhere else. So if you're looking for a lovely home and a good solid long rental, consider looking into an older neighbourhood where you and your family can settle down and stay a little longer. Happy investing, happy renting.